culture. As I separate the last from the stupid. Split this till it shits in your favor. So your onions add spice to your taste buds. Rib paste plus cream, that's a must-have. To the mixed tree juice with the lamb flaps. And the smell when it lingers a second to none. Have you licking every finger from pinky to thumb? I'm the blood of an Anglo-Indian. Fled fire from a British takeover. Came fresh from an agro origin. Hit land round the month of October. From the foreshore, hit the ground running. Just an honest man next to no money. Stay land on the mound of the body. Made a famine, a plan, and a promise be something. Grateful for the time that we shared. Even though I was young, I was there. Tiger chili on the shelf, every dish. Extra spice, extra nice, pack the hell of a cake. Spend time round